Welcome to our roundup of the best alarm clock options. Whether you're a heavy sleeper who struggles to wake up, someone who wants a smarter morning routine, or just looking for a stylish bedside companion, we've selected top-rated alarm clocks that combine reliability, functionality, and modern features. We'll break down each model's key highlights like alarm volume, display clarity, smart features, customization, and overall usability, so you can find the perfect fit for your lifestyle. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal alarm clock for you. The first on the list is the Peakeep 115 decibel alarm clock. If waking up is your biggest daily challenge, this one is designed specifically for you. With its ultra-loud 115 decibel alarm, dual alarm settings, and large clear display, this clock is built to make sure you never oversleep again. The sound level is incredibly powerful, making it ideal for heavy sleepers, deep sleepers, or even those with mild hearing difficulties. Unlike standard alarms that can be easily ignored, this one demands your attention and gets you out of bed quickly. Beyond just volume, the Peakeep alarm clock offers practical usability. The large LED display ensures you can clearly see the time from across the room, even in low-light conditions. The brightness is adjustable, which means you won't have to deal with an overly bright screen disturbing your sleep at night. It also features dual alarm functionality, which is perfect for couples or for setting different alarms for weekdays and weekends. The controls are simple and intuitive, so you won't find yourself fumbling around trying to set it up. Another great aspect is its reliability. This is not a complicated smart device, which means fewer chances of glitches or connectivity issues. It runs consistently and does exactly what it promises: wake you up on time. Overall, the Peakeep 115 decibel alarm clock is a powerful and dependable option for anyone who struggles to wake up. Its loud alarm, clear display, and simple design make it a practical and highly effective bedside companion. Next up is the American Lifetime Dementia Clock. This clock is designed with a very specific purpose in mind, making time and date information easy to understand at a glance. It features full day and date display, non-abbreviated information, and multiple alarm reminders, making it especially useful for seniors or individuals with memory challenges. What makes this clock stand out is its unique display format. Instead of just showing numbers, it clearly spells out the day of the week, month, and time in large, bold text. This eliminates confusion and makes it incredibly user-friendly. For someone who struggles with traditional digital clocks, this design can make a big difference in maintaining independence and daily routine. The screen is large and easy to read from a distance, and the brightness can be adjusted to suit different lighting conditions. It also includes multiple alarm settings that can be customized for medication reminders, meals, or daily activities. This adds a layer of functionality beyond just waking up, turning it into a helpful daily assistant. Setup is straightforward, and once configured, it requires minimal interaction. The interface is simple, avoiding unnecessary complexity. This is especially important for its target users, as it reduces frustration and confusion. Overall, the American Lifetime Dementia Clock is an excellent choice for those who need clear, easy-to-read time and date information, along with helpful reminders. It provides peace of mind for both users and caregivers by making daily routines easier to manage. Next up, we have the Amazon Echo Spot alarm clock. This is where things start to get more advanced and connected. With smart voice control, customizable alarm sounds, and compact smart display, this clock goes beyond basic functionality and becomes part of your smart home ecosystem. The standout feature here is voice control. You can set alarms, check the weather, control smart home devices, or even play music just by using your voice. This makes your morning routines smoother and more convenient. Overall, the Amazon Echo Spot alarm clock is a great choice for tech-savvy users who want more than just an alarm. Its smart features, voice control, and customization options make it a versatile and modern addition to any bedroom. Next, we have the Dreamsky wooden alarm clock. If you prefer something simple yet stylish, this clock offers a great balance. It features elegant wooden design, adjustable brightness display, and USB charging port, making it both functional and aesthetically appealing. The first thing you'll notice is its design. The wooden finish gives it a warm, modern look that blends well with almost any bedroom decor. It doesn't feel like a typical electronic device, which makes it a great choice for those who want something more subtle on their nightstand. The LED display is clear and easy to read, and you can adjust the brightness to your preference. This ensures it won't be too bright at night or too dim during the day. The simplicity of the interface also makes it very easy to use even for those who don't like complicated gadgets. One of its most practical features is the built-in USB charging port. This allows you to charge your phone or other devices overnight without needing an extra adapter. It's a small detail, but it adds a lot of convenience to your daily routine. Overall, the Dreamsky wooden alarm clock is a great option for those who value simplicity, design, and practicality. It's easy to use, visually appealing, and adds convenience with its charging capability. The last one on our list is the Hatch Restore 3 alarm clock. This is more than just an alarm clock. It's a complete sleep and wake-up system. With sunrise simulation light, personalized sleep routines, and relaxing sound library, it's designed to improve both how you fall asleep and how you wake up. The most unique feature is the sunrise simulation. Instead of waking up abruptly to a loud sound, the light gradually brightens to mimic a natural sunrise. This helps your body wake up more gently and can make mornings feel less stressful. In addition to waking you up, it also helps you wind down at night. You can create personalized sleep routines that include calming sounds, guided meditations, or soft lighting. This makes it easier to relax and fall asleep naturally. The sound library is another highlight. It includes a variety of soothing sounds, white noise, and gentle alarm tones. You can customize your experience to match your preferences, making both bedtime and wake-up time more enjoyable. The design is modern and minimal, fitting nicely into any bedroom setup. It's controlled through an app, which allows for detailed customization. However, it also means it requires a bit more setup compared to simpler clocks. Overall, the Hatch Restore 3 alarm clock is a premium choice for those who want to upgrade their sleep routine. Its combination of light therapy, sound customization, and smart features make it a standout option for better mornings and better nights. So that's it for the best alarm clocks available right now. Whether you need something loud and reliable, simple and stylish, or smart and feature-packed, there's an option here for you. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.